Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
My project is about rural economy and development, unmet needs, fulfilling the unmet needs of the customers and employment. We'll go through the content. Firstly, we can see introduction, then market problem, solution, unique selling proposition, competitor, differentiating factor, revenue model, target market, production services. Civilize Hub. Civilize Hub is a standalone platform which fulfills the unmet need of the customers. It's a manpower supplement platform. Day-to-day life workers and real estate construction. It is emerged with four categories. Primary goal of the Civilize Hub provides every individual of the India the employment. And market problem. No one focusing in the rural lives. Lot of unemployment, no framework, no work ethics, up-down problems of the workers, pricing problem. People are not able to get workers in instant as per their location in their needs. People are not able to purchase their dream house. This is second category. Lots of constructions are not getting completed in estimated times due to delay in supply materials, constructions not getting the completed estimated time. Some problems in construction category. This is the third one, solution. What we are going to do through the technology, we are providing the connectivity of the customers and workers. We provide workers for every need of the people 24/7 at every location in a single click. With the help of structured engineer, locally available material technology, we bring the dreams reality. We provide trusted properties like land, plot, rental, homes, bungalow in their locally available engineers. We enhance the distribution pattern with the single layer distribution with the product material evaluation, the complete the project estimate. Unique selling proposition. Civilize Hub is a platform to make the rural plus urban lives more fulfilling to solve the people needs in single click. It enables user to find the services professional like plumbers, wedding planner, photographer, teachers, interior designer, exterior designer, farming workers, day-to-day life workers. Manpower is needed everything, everywhere. Through technology, we are serving them. Everything from the designing homes, capturing moment, planning arts, fixing the taxes, getting a healthier life, etc. For standardized blue collar services like electrician, plumber, wedding planner, you can directly book and pay for the services in their app and website. Wide range of choices in single click, budget built choices, trusted professional, friendly customer, guaranteed services. Civilize is an online platform for customers to scout for the best professionals in the services industry such as architect, wedding photographer, teacher, farming worker, rural youth, educational counselor, lawyer, subcontractor, distributor as well as. We provide A to Z services in a single click. In third category, design and construction, we are enable the local engineers for the customer. Our vision is to use technology and smart processes to structure the highly unorganized services market in India, the emerging market. Civilized Hub is aspired to hire the services professionals as easy straightforward as well as e-commerce. Competitor and entry barrier. Presently, no such all kind of services served in rural areas with a standalone platform in low cost. Few local agents are dealing with it. Few firms are in competition, like in urban areas. Urban companies there in service industry. Magic Brick is in real estate, 99 acres in real estate, housing.com as well as Tata Projects in construction, Housewife in service industry. Impressive factor. Civilize is a standalone platform which fulfill the A to Z needs. Urban company service, but Magic as compared to market companies in Civilize The standalone platform, it merges the all services and all needs. Is the standalone platform. Target market, 60% size of the market versus we target 25% of the population, 25 crores people with the associate category. Mainly we focusing in workers category. It is a use category as well as products in construction, real estate. It's a granular profile for customer with categories with age group and biography and channels habits. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes.
Yes.
For workers category, we categorize 15 to 35 years age group. Employees can do any work with the tier 2, tier 1 to tier 4 cities in pan India. Channel through the mobile and website, word of mouth. No need of such a high level advertising is required. This is a manpower platform, so word of mouth is enough. Habits is good. That is brilliant mind. Products, same as per products and construction related. This is a granular profile. We need 50 lakhs initially, for 30 lakhs for launching the website and 20 lakhs for initial advertising, labeling and branding. Thank you, sir.